सो ये हमारी इम्यूनोलॉजी एंड माइक्रोबायोलॉजी लैब है। जितनी भी हमारी इम्यूनोलॉजी एंड माइक्रोबायोलॉजी की लैब्स लगती हैं तो वो सारी लैब्स यहाँ पर लगती हैं। या
आना इनको बोलने देना, तो बोलेंगे वो रुका।
For example, one of the things is medium preparation. For each group, there are 3 people, and they doing microbiological labs. With these kids, you see their instruction, how to do it, and everything. And students are doing labs according to that kids. Okay.
ओके।
This one of them is for medium preparation.
Okay.
For the specific instrument conditions and etc. This is for microbiology. Here it's kind of
इक्विपमेंट्स।
here.
And what is that?
Incubation. This is for microbes incubation. If you see this kind of things, like I said, for example, they need lab. This is 30 inches, and that 30 inches which with a special medium and microbes, which will be here. They are put in here, and they are incubated in special temperature and time.
Okay.
And after it, students are seeing that microbes in microscopes.
या
Just now they are histological slides, but they can use microbes. Just now we don't have this. Because they don't use any lab. You can see this.
I can see?
Yes.
Okay. बहुत वैसे देखना पड़ रहा है इसमें।
More than that. You can see human ovary if you want.
ड्यूडेनियम।
That's really nice.
You can even take video.
Can you teach me how can?
Yes, look, you should put your hand here
Okay.
and move for your. Each people have different kind of vision.
Yeah.
People have different kind, so you should move like this
Okay.
and specify your vision here.
Okay.
Also, this one is for moving in different kind of area of this like here and there. Okay. Here for vision.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. And what is this?
This is micro slides.
Okay, micro slides.
This is fixed micro slides. This is microbiology lab, but sometimes we are doing histology lab also here. Microbiology labs, micro slides are alive. Micro slides, they are not fixed. So sometimes we are taking some microbes from the mouth or I don't know, from blood, and we can see it, but teachers
Okay.
doing it and not doing it. That's why we don't have it now. So for showing students different kind of tissues, we're showing histological tissues. Here as you see, umbilical cords, ovary. This is histology slides. Microbiology slides, we're doing them and we're dropping them because they are microbes. We should not okay.
Okay. And ये मेरा फेवरेट रहा है।
This one to do different kind of measurement for different kind of microbes. Some is mixing, different kind of mixing. This one also teachers knows better. Okay.
My personal favorite.
Yeah.
These are same.
Yes, they are all same for each student.
Okay, and what is this?
This is, you see, this is for microbes. As I showed you, this is the petri dishes. You remember this petri dishes? For example, we have microbe. For example, here are microbes.
Okay.
These microbes need food.
Okay.
Medium is food for them. That's why we prepare a medium from this kind of this tube. We put in this medium here.
Okay.
And from this one food, they should move here.
Here.
It's different food, because we should make colonies. Okay, we take it from here like this with this thing, taking and doing like this, so they will grow properly.
Okay.
In different kind of food medium.
Okay.
Then we put it in this, which I said incubator, because they need specific temperature and specific environment. And this one is for sterilize this one, because here are microbes. We should put it here. And sterilizing it.
Okay. And another different things.
Yes, now as labs are not active, as everything is closed. This one for mixing medium and for heating.
Okay, for heating.
Yes. This one is I said for sterilization.
Okay.
This is the distillate for to have distillate water. Distillate water is only H2O.
Okay.
Only without any fixing and everything.
Okay.
This one is for dangerous microbes.
Okay.
Because this is a special cabin. As you see, this one. This is for very dangerous microbes with ultraviolet
UV.
Yes. So as I showed you there, which I did, they are doing it here because sterilization is happening all the time here for dangerous microbes, and that's why
Okay. That's it.
this one also is incubator. Here we have kids. Here we have personal protective equipment.
Okay, for students.
Yes, we all remember Corona time.
Yeah.
And especially for this, there are more special classes to protect themselves. They are special, you see.
Okay.
Everything. We just teach them how to wear everything correctly, because everything has.
So you have proper kit.
Yes. To teach them how to work in dangerous laboratories. Okay.
That's good.
This is for waste. As I said, you can use microbes and everything. You should put everything here. This is not going to like a random trash. This is going to special trash, which is then neutralizing these microbes and everything. If you work with blood and everything, you should put everything here.
Okay. And what is inside?
Inside there now nothing. This is for if I showed you this one. Microbes. Microbes are not visible just if we look at them. We need special
Stains.
Stains. This is stains for staining these microbes. Okay. And this is for staining. Taking blood.
जिसको सबको डर लगता है बचपन में, मुझे तो बहुत डर लगता था. Fear of this injection. ये हमारा माइक्रोबायोलॉजी लैब था और मुझे तो काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. आप सभी स्टूडेंट ने देखा, हमारे साथ मैम तीनों ने पूरा एक्सप्लेन किया ईच एंड एवरीथिंग कि किस चीज़ को कैसे यूज़ करते हैं, क्या है क्या नहीं है, सब कुछ. सो थैंक यू एवरीवन फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.